Secretarial Practice, Chapter 4, Memorandum of Association. We have already learned to start a company, we need Memorandum of Association as well as Article of Association. This chapter, we will learn what is Memorandum of Association. New Companies Act was established in the year 2013 in India. While registering the company, it is compulsory to register Memorandum of Association and Article of Association of the company. Memorandum of Association is the basic document of the company. It is the framework on which company is established. This document decides the boundary of work of the company. It is an important document for companies' creditors, shareholders, future investors, and for advertisement. As per Lord Kang, Memorandum of Association is constitution of company and such a document which shows the limitation of the officers of a company establishment under law. Characteristics of Memorandum of Association. First, it is a basic fundamental document of a company. As it is a primary and basic document of the company, it is compulsory for all companies to make this document before its commencement. Second is define objective. Memorandum of Association defines objectives, capital, liability, registered office address, etc. Third, it is useful for all parties. As this document is the public document of the company, based on this document, various parties' relationship is established, like debtors, creditors, suppliers, investors, governments, etc. Fourth is, it provides the information about the existence of the company and its registered office. Based on the information of this document, one can know about the area of work in which state it has been established, with which objective and name, with what amount of capital, and where is the registered office of the company. Fifth is, it is very difficult to make changes in the Memorandum of Association. It is not easy to make changes in MOA, so it should be carefully framed by seeing all the provisions, and the changes in the memorandum has to be passed in general meeting and has to be registered with registrar of the companies, then only you can change. Sixth, Memorandum of Association is considered as the constitution of the company. This is considered as constitution of company as it shows capital of company, liability of members, objective of company, etc. Let us learn which kinds of companies and which type of table will be applicable. So let us learn the tables for preparing Memorandum of Association. As per the Companies Act 2013, it is compulsory for all companies to prepare it. Depending upon the nature of company, MOA is being drafted. You can see the table as per the Companies Act 2013 and the types of companies. The Memorandum of Association has to be printed in serial numbered paragraph and which is prescribed as per the content of tables A, B, C, D or E, whichever is applicable. Any provision of the Memorandum of Association should not be contrary. If any provision are in contrary to Companies Act, they are considered void. Any agreement executed or resolution passed by the company in general meeting or by its BOD, which is contrary to the provisions of the Companies Act 2013, are void. BOD, Board of Directors. Importance of Memorandum of Association. For company, we can know the company's name, address, the area, the objective, shareholders, liability, capital, etc. So it is an important document showing company's information. Now any work done out of it is considered illegal and it is considered void. With this Memorandum of Association, we can know official capital and liabilities of members. So the liability is limited or unlimited can be known through it. Second, for the creditors, traders and banks. The creditor, the banker and the trader decides whether to lend the money to the company or not. Memorandum of Association is an important document for all such parties as it establishes the relation of company with third parties. Third is for shareholders of the company. The shareholder decides to invest in the company on the basis of objective clause of the Memorandum of Association. So shareholder feels secure with the determination that their liabilities will be limited to the extent of the amount of the share purchased by them as it is mentioned clearly in the Memorandum of Association, so the shareholders are assured that the fund invested by them shall be utilized only for the activities specified. Fourth, for public at large. Memorandum is a public document. Any person can get a copy by paying prescribed fees at registrar's office. Clauses of the Memorandum of Association. Following clauses are included in it: name clause, registered office clause, objects clause, liability clause, capital clause, subscription clause. Only in case of one person company there are two clauses, that is concept to buy all shares, and the other one is appointment of legal heir in case of death. In next session we will learn in detail about each clause.